Somebody I gave you. Wasn't it another color though? Yeah, it was darker. There's lots of grass. Okay, go on to that track.
And watch out for thorns, the big thorns. Hello. Hi. What do you mean?
Very little.
What's this?
Well, it's a work day. That's why there's very little people.
Crocodiles.
Yes.
There's like 2 people fishing.
Yeah, I would say there are lots of crocs
Okay, what's this?
because the croc can't get up here. What is that? Yes. Check this out, Des. Check this out.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
What's up on the beach?
Oh, hell.
Sharks, rocky shores.
Can we go have a look, see, love? Pumba says please clean up. First starting of what? Oh. And here we are. Pretty there, right? Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, pleasant, very pleasant. Nice beach, eh? Now you must see, Christmas, you must see this beach. It's
yeah.
packed with people. Gorgeous though, eh? Where do you want to go to? Possibly. No. This is just they bring boats down here and they launch them. Yeah, so they're just kind of telling people to stay out of the way of the launching. But you can go anywhere you want. Just yeah, those beaches they do have, because it's by a river mouth. There is crocs around, so and occasionally puss. You got scammed by the beach. There's even a dustbin. Well, nobody's going to stop you from sitting on it.
I think it's like a campfire.
Yeah, but those things usually they keep to keep things high off the ground, like when they collect garbage and stuff. Sometimes I don't know if that's the purpose of that one, but yeah. Huh? Oh, he left his rod holder. Okay, now so you can see down, Taylor. See far down, eh? You know what everybody says, they still have a beautiful beach here. In comparison to what we're stuck with now in Richards Bay, eh?
Try to get to the next area.
You're gonna have to get right down. Only thing is here, you don't do the swim. Now the current here is something else, eh? I wouldn't swim. Yeah. And they see those platforms, usually they put stuff on it. The dustbins and things. Keeps ground predators away from it. And the monkeys. But I'm pretty sure a monkey can find his way up there. Ivan, just keep an eye when you're here, okay? These river mouths, they can have crocs. And they tend to tan right here by you. Whoa, what's that? Check that out. I wonder what that is. Okay. Yeah.
And it's sunny.
They run down.
See, it's little fishes.
Ah. Oh, there's a fish flopping around. No, he's klar, I think. Is that another one? Yeah, but where is he going? Out to sea. Right?
Oh, no, it's dying.
It's nature, love. I don't know what's down here though. And besides, is this fresh water or salt water? Because is this, where are you going to put him? If he's a freshwater fish, you ain't going to be too happy about that. I don't know. I'm just trying to see if there's any nasties down here. Do you want to go down and have a look? Hey? But do you want to go down and shove him down there in the deeper water?
Yeah. Maybe it's in it.
Yeah, I don't know if he'll make it though. That's a buoy, yeah.
Boy.
Hey, see, he's still going.
There we go. There we go. Go, fishing. Oh.
Yeah, deeper water, see?
You got it. Yeah.
He's bloody lucky if bird didn't see him.
Yeah.
Because their fish eagle would have taken that bird, that fish. Yeah, he's in the current now, you see?
He's going right into the Really?
He's turning himself around. I don't know. Don't know personally.
No, just I know.
Anyway, that's nature for you guys. Right? I wouldn't mess around in here.
There's fishy also there. Nah. I think it's a word.
He'll find a way. If he wants to, he'll find a way, don't it?
I don't know what that is. I wonder if he's dying. Like naturally. Because
It could be, yeah.
if he could swim this.
Yeah, definitely.
As long as the water's moving, he'll breathe.
Shall we move back that way, or what do you want to do? Says the woman who I nearly had to carry to the bucket just now.
Yeah, but that was my chest was closing. I'm not
Yeah.
getting my chest closed now. Stop for a second. Nice breathe.
You had me worried there.
I don't know, I was worried. I thought my chest was closed completely.
Hi, Leafy.
Pushing.
Mm-hmm.
Guide yourself.
She has to walk backwards to keep her hair from flopping.
I don't have a hairband on.
Uh-uh.
All the stuff that watches.
Yeah, on the tidal one, yeah. It's cool, eh? It's careful of glass and things, eh?
Got layers.
Yeah. Like onion.
What's this?
Piece of somebody's little toy or something. Right?
It's about a radio or something.
It's this one. And now,
Maintainment is elephant. Just walk. So sad and not safe, just let them do themselves.
yeah, fortunately that's how the world changed since we were kids. When we were kids, we could disappear like this. Days on end.
No one even knew.
Yeah, and there was no way to contact us. You just had,
North Beach.
yeah, you just had faith they'd eventually come back. Look at the beautiful flotsam. Look at these. Look at all of these.
We eat them.
I don't know, there's salt in it, so maybe. Clank. Here's a clank. What's that? What's that?
Oh, Indian rainbow.
Something with the neighbor is when I'm proud of him. It's quite good.
And these are just painted, right?
Yeah, but you know what I mean. What's that, eh? That is a dead thing.
What's that?
I don't know. It's a dead thing. I don't know what it is. Look at the sand. She's got things around her arm. What doesn't she tie here?
Yeah, tie your hair up with one of those things.
One of your. This one. You could get tangled. Okay, Ravi, let's go eat something or something.
Okay. Why your face
What is this? Hmm? What's this?
Espresso. dirty.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a glue. Okay, call the son of ours. It's pretty, eh?
You want to walk some more? Oh my God, I can't do it. It's so bad. This direction is way. Whoa, oh. Wind.
Yeah. Stick. Yeah. Actually, wonder if you're allowed to bring your dogs down here.
Huh?
Wonder if you're allowed to bring your dog down here. Here she'd have a blast. Eh? We should ask. Of course. She just must run into the water. There's something on the beach now. You see it? That's a big ass birdie.
We must take Diva. Okay, you know the Alpha Straters and you go a bit further? Is it 5 ways?
5 mile.
5 miles.
Yeah, you get guaranteed to get mugged. They're living there, that's terrible.
Yeah,
That's where we used to go as kids. We used to love it down there. And that and Kangler Cliff and all those places. But you'll get mugged and if you're lucky. If you're lucky, you'll come out alive. There's no beaches left that we can use, love. Apart from that park there by Alkenstrand. That park section, there's people still walking a bit
Yeah,
there.
that's what I mean. That section is just past Alpha.
Yeah, that little park area you can still walk.
Maybe because people still are working. Maybe we
Yeah,
can try
it'll be
tomorrow,
quiet,
but
yeah.
it's very busy. But we can check how it goes.
We can see how the day goes. But yes, you could try that. Even during the week like this now, you go down to the Bay Hall and that. There's nobody there now. Everybody's working.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes tomorrow.
Yeah.
If it's not too windy tomorrow, we'll take a walk down.
Yeah.
My pants dirty for the restaurant.
That's clean.
Like, I just sat. They're looking for stuff. Plastic, heard it. So much plastic, man. What's that?
Looks like glue.
Does look like
Yeah. What very easily. Okay. David, we were just talking. We're thinking tomorrow because people are still at work. Maybe we can take Eva and go find a beach in our house where there's no people. Or try at least, yeah. Yeah, just give us some freedom.
but not yet.
This is what you want to what?
Yeah, paddleboard.
Paddle. Yeah, well, there's breakwaters. There's no breakwaters up here. We said we wanted to get a little bit of sun. It's now a super hot day. How hot the sand gets all the way up to there. You okay, babe? Yeah, no, I could see that. You shouldn't have pushed yourself that hard, my love. This is quite nice that you can come up here and have a picnic or something. Bring your own umbrella, you just shove it in there. Yeah, and this wind I wouldn't, but anyway. Sit op jou gatplek. Yeah. Here's like telling you what you can expect to find.
I found cuttlefish bone.
Yeah, we did find a huge bird.
Let's have a look.
Just careful, some of these nails stick out, these screws. And knock your toes on them. Hmm? Turtle, yes. See these? Watch out, you can knock your toe on those. Wild child. Whoa, slippery. It's slippery there. Careful where you step down, yeah.